Are you ready to jumpstart your career as a commercial pilot? What if I told you that you could begin your career as a pilot in just 14 months?
At Tampa Aviation, you can receive your commercial pilot license within 12 months and your certified flight instructor license in as little as 14 months through our Priority Access Training program.
So if you are, ever wake up sitting there and you're dreaming about being a pilot, there's no better time than now. This is a great time to get in the industry. I think that the Priority Access Training at St. Petersburg is probably one of the best locations to get some real-world flying experience. This airspace can be a little bit crazy, but once you come out of this airport, you'll be prepared to go anywhere in the world.
I decided to make a career change, which is crazy to do at 39. You'd want to come do this to have a change of life, to have a change of lifestyle. I found myself hating life every day, just working to the bone. This has given me the opportunity to be able to change that.
In our Priority Access Training program, you will earn your private certificate, your instrument rating, and your commercial certificate. Once these are complete, you can achieve your Certified Flight Instructor, Certified Flight Instructor Instrument, Commercial Multi-Add-on, and Multi-Engine Instructor.
You should join Priority Access if you're trying to get your licenses really fast, but still get quality training. You get through your training fast, but you also get through really efficiently, so you're still a good pilot.
Priority Access Training students are monitored closely to ensure milestones are achieved and the students are progressing in a faster-paced training environment.
Priority Access Training program is a little bit of a smaller program. We have a tight group of instructors, and that really allows the instructors and students to get to know each other.
So PAT can have a more comprehensive training because not only can we ask other senior instructors for advice, we also have a set curriculum that we follow the same way you would at a normal flight academy or a college. And we have all the resources that we have available through our testing supplements and everything like that. They can also come into the PAT program and ask any instructor for help on the things that they have studied, along with set ground lessons and flight lessons in the curriculum.
All students who complete their training with Tampa Bay Aviation are also given priority for hiring. Flight instructors generally bill their time in 14 to 20 months, helping catapult you into your next career milestone.
So if you guys are at your normal day jobs, getting tired of it, getting burnt out, you always thought about flying airplanes and never really thought it was possible, well, Tampa Bay Aviation has a program called the Priority Access Training. It makes your dreams come to reality.
If you are ready to join our pilot community, spend your days in the sky, and earn your wings, then our Priority Access Training program is for you.